I'm the owner of Biteriot Operations, and we grow, pack and market cherries and apples. Freshcare benefits us by the fact that we can keep a closer eye on the traceability of the fruit. We do a lot more training with our staff to think safety and to think what's best for the consumer.
So coming from a farming background myself, I definitely have the understanding that things can be left to the last minute and can be a scramble to get everything done. However, the benefit of doing it on a daily basis and making sure those protocols are put in place is really advantageous for businesses to streamline their practices and ensure that they comply on a regular basis and it becomes seamless part of their business. Certification is important for two reasons, in my view. One, being for the consumer, so that they are assured that the fruit or vegetables that they're getting have already been through a really rigorous process, that they are safe to eat the food that they buy. Two, also for the actual business, it's not just an audit. They can run a business that's compliant with a standard that's known worldwide.
It's awesome that Freshcare is now recognised internationally. We export probably 40% of our cherry crop. It means that the growers aren't burdened with extra compliance, and the same certification can be recognised globally, and that's really important for our market access and ensuring the safety of our product, just not only domestically but in our overseas markets. Freshcare certification has benefited our business because we become known as a safe supplier. We're a safe food. Cherries and apples are consumed by most Australians, so it's important that we are, but not just us as a grower, that the whole industry is compliant. You only need one mistake to be made by one grower and it can be devastating for the industry overnight. So it's very important that we all work together in this food safety culture.
We put a lot of care, time and effort, a lot of love into growing our fruit because it is a passion, and you know, what more do you need?